most registry tweaks are placebo, but these ones aren't. As you can see, we do get a massive FPS boost. Let's get straight into this video and get you more frames. Now, for our first tweak, we're going to be making sure your GPU priority is actually running how it should be. Press Windows and R at the same time so run pops up. Whilst we're here, of course, during the whole video, we're going to be in regedit. Don't worry, I'll guide you guys through it. So type regedit just like so, press on OK. Now, again, it's going to look very, very scary. There's going to be loads of files, but trust me, this is worth it to actually getting more frames. And by the way, before we get started, please do leave a like on this video and please do subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. Now, what we need to do whilst we're here, by the way, go on H key local machine, bring that folder down by pressing the down arrow. Now software, bring that folder down. Scroll down just a little bit until we see Microsoft, bring that folder down. Now we have to scroll down quite a bit, by the way, until we see Windows NT. Make sure it says Windows NT and don't get it mistaken with the normal Windows folder. Bring down Windows NT, then we're going to see current version, bring down current version. Scroll down yet again until we see multimedia. Once we see multimedia, system profile, bring that one down, task, bring that one down. Now we're going to see games. What we're doing again, we're just making sure your GPU priority is running how it should be and it's not going half the percent it should be or 25%. We're going to be making sure it's actually going 100%. So GPU priority, double click onto it, the value data must be 8. 8 is the max amount, meaning it's actually going to go to the priority it actually should. Value data is 8 just like so, press on OK. Whilst we're here, go on priority, the normal priority, value data of 6, which is absolutely perfect. Once you do this, we can go into our next regedit tweak already. Now for our next tweak, what we're going to be doing is making sure your system responsiveness is 0 delay. It's super simple to do whilst we're in regedit. And whilst we go back to regedit, by the way, literally remember how we were just on this page before? Now all that we're going to do is just click onto system profile, just like so. Now again, system responsiveness is what we want to look at. Double click onto it. Value data of 0 delay on your PC. Simple as that. Press OK. We can move into our next regedit tweak. And again, if you watch this video throughout, by the way, your PC is going to be like a NASA PC. Now for our next tweak, we're going to be disabling game DVR. What it actually is, silently in the background of your PC, Microsoft is recording your gameplay, and as you guys know, that will decrease your frames. So what you want to do is go onto registry editor yet again. These files will be slightly different, by the way. So what you want to do is bring all the files back up. Once we're all the way back up, go on H key local machine. And by the way, if you guys don't know how to bring the files up, on every single file, literally press the up arrow just like so. As you can see, it'll bring the folder up for you. Now, H key local machine, bring that folder down. Software, bring that folder down. Again, very tiny bit similar just like before. Now we're on software, go on to policies. Policies, bring that folder down. Go on to Microsoft, bring that folder down. Once we bring down Microsoft, by the way, go on to Windows. This time it's the normal Windows folder. Bring that folder down just like so. Now we're going to scroll down quite a bit until we see game DVR right here. Click onto it. Allow game DVR. Again, what this is, silent recording in the background of your PC. You don't want it. 1 means it's enabled. 0 means that's you're disabling it, just like so. Value data as 0, disabled it. Now we can move into our next regedit tweak. And again, please do remember to leave a like on this video and please remember to subscribe. Now what we're going to be doing is just easing up some usage from your CPU and your RAM. We're going to be disabling Cortana. I'm sure most of you don't use Cortana. Of course, if you do use Cortana, don't disable this regedit. But most of us, we just want more frames. We want maximum performance. And of course, this is what this video delivers. Go back onto your registry editor. The same page as before right here. We can see I'm still on game DVR. Scroll down just a tiny bit until we see Windows search. Click onto it just like so. Allow Cortana. Now you guys are getting the gist. Value data of 1 means it's enabled. Value data of 0 means it's completely disabled. It's no longer in your PC. So value data of 0 just like so to disable Cortana. Press OK. We can move into our next. And just quickly, if you want all of these registry editor tweaks times 10, by the way, including performance tweaks, gaming and FPS tweaks, make sure to check the link in the description of JINSHI tweaks used by pros, used by your opponents, and of course we have the AI assistant right here to help guide you how to actually get more frames. So literally go on the link in the description or search jinshitweaks.com, go and explore products and just have a look for yourself. We have the best PC tweaking app, the best KBM tweaks, and of course a network optimizer. You code YT20 to save 20%, by the way. There's a massive discount going on right now. So if you're playing, make sure you actually play to win. If you want more FPS, this is where to look. Now moving on to our next registry tweak. Now the next tweak we're going to be doing, Windows is secretly preloading your apps in the background. Obviously you do not want this. So again, go back onto registry editor just like so. This time this is going to be completely different. So bring every single folder up to its original state. What we want to do, by the way, H key local machine, bring that folder down. System, bring that folder down. Current control set, bring that folder down. down. Now this time, again, slightly different. Control, bring that folder down. Once you do that, by the way, scroll down quite a bit until you see Session Manager, bring that folder down. Session Manager until we see Memory Management, again, bring that folder down. You guys get the gist. Prefetch parameters. Once we're on here, by the way, what you want to do, enable prefetcher, value data. You guys know how to disable it now. 0 means it's disabled. Press on OK, just like so. Enable superfetch, again, preloading in the background. Let's say Steam is preloading in the background. You don't want this when you play Fortnite, CS2, anything like that. Again, to disable it, press 0, just like so. We can move into our next tweak again. Remember, this is how to actually get more frames. Now, this next tweak, what we're going to be doing is stopping Windows Defender from running in the background of your PC only when you're playing games. Do not worry about it. This one is super simple to do. Again, go back onto Registry Editor. Again, many folders will have to go back up, unfortunately. HKey local machine, bring that folder down. This time we're going onto software, bring that folder down, just like so. Policies, bring that folder down. Microsoft, bring that folder down. This time we're going to see Windows Defender. Now, instead of completely disabling it, we want to double click onto it, just like so. Value data of 1. Literally as simple as this. Whilst we're gaming in the background, we're not getting FPS drops because of Windows Defender. Press on OK, we can move into our next registry twig. And do remember, by the way, please do leave a like on this video, and if you can, do comment as well saying, JINSHI, thank you for the tweaks, or these tweaks did work, anything like that. I'll really appreciate it. Now, for our next tweak, we're going to be stopping Windows from literally sending data to Microsoft every single second. Of course, you do not want this whilst you're gaming. Again, go back onto Registry Editor. As you guys know, by the way, I'm going to bring this folder up for you guys. Right now, we're in the Windows Defender. Literally one thing above it is Windows, bring that folder down, just like so. Whilst here, by the way, what we need to look for is this folder right here, data collection, go onto it just like so. Allow telemetry, double click onto it, value data, we want to disable this. We don't want Windows sending data to Microsoft every single second we're playing Fortnite, any other game like that. Of course, that reduces FPS so much. Value data of 0, and literally make sure you press on the OK. Now we can close Registry Editor because that is the end of this video. Hope you did enjoy, and again, if you're serious about PC gaming and PC tweaks, getting the best performance out of your PC, make sure you check the 3 apps. And remember, if you're playing, make sure you play to win. Literally just check the website for yourself.